everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily market review for the trading day ending Thursday, June 5th. Firstly to the S&P 500, and as suggested yesterday, the buyers had built some good solid momentum over the previous few trading days. Even though we had very small body candles, they were continually closing up towards the highs, and we had the strong price rejection from below the 1920 level. Today the buyers have gone on with the move. Very strong commitment by the buyers, closing with strong control, establishing a new major high at 1941.74. If this market does come off, we should see very solid support coming in at the Tenkan-sen trading at 1917. That's pointing up very sharply, reflecting the solid upside momentum. This market is bullish in all three timeframes, supported by the Chica span, but we are looking a little overextended once again in the distance away from the Ichimoku clouds, so a pullback wouldn't surprise, but I suggest that the first area that we should see strong support coming in is 1917. If that fails, then 1900 it certainly should be very strong support. Just one thing to watch for here is the Fibonacci retracement. We're in an expansive mode of that, and the market will be approaching the 423.6% level. That is an extreme, and that really does fit in with the idea that the market is looking overextended. It's rare for a market to trade up through there, and what we're examining is the first time frame uptrend, the series of higher highs and higher lows, and this market has been up for 11 consecutive trading days, and that is really suggesting that the market is beginning to look a little overextended. What we need to do, however, is watch how the market reacts to this level. If we see sellers coming in, then we could see the market come off, but at the moment there isn't any clue that that will happen. The buyers have closed with very strong control, very solid upside momentum, but we will be looking for the potential for the sellers to come in around this level. Next to the NASDAQ 100, and here we see the buyers coming in again, as we saw with the S&P. Very solid upside momentum in net terms, looking overextended as we saw with the S&P, and the Chica span here is confirming the bullish price action. If the market does come off, then solid support at 37.38, and then just below there the Tenkan-sen trading at 37.14. Next to gold futures, and a change of sentiment in this market with a fairly large white body candle, and it's been some time since we've seen a large white body in this market, and suggests that the momentum has begun to shift back to the buyers. The buyers have closed with control, and importantly they've been able to close above the 1250 level of resistance. There is a possibility of the market trading up to the 1266 level. We should find very solid resistance around there, with the Tenkan-sen trading just above there. But overall, the trend in the three time frames is down, but the short-term dynamics are favouring continued price appreciation. So if the market does continue to rally, we should then eventually see the sellers come back in and continue the trend back down on its way.